Alright guys, so today we're going to do a little tutorial on Photoshop, right? So say you take a picture and there's something in there that is an eyesore, you don't want it. It could be birds in the sky, could be a cone, could be a street sign, literally anything. You don't want a person in there, remove the person. So my buddy Champ, he did some rollers for me and he caught the roof line of his car because he was sticking on the sunroof in the photo. So I'm going to show you guys if you take some sick rollers and there's no, opportunity to do it again because you were in the moment and it happened and now your image is ruined, I will show you how to save it. Let's get started. Alright, so we're in Photoshop, right? So my buddy Champ, I'll plug him in the description. He took this roller of my car for me, right? So check this out. You see right here, roof line. Got a little bit of his roof because he was hanging on the sunroof. We don't want that. It's an eyesore, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna select your lasso tool. All right. What you're gonna draw around the object that you no longer want. Mask it all the way off. Perfect. Then what you're gonna do is go to Edit, Content Aware Fill. Now all this green it's going to pull from that green area to fill in that spot. Now, we're trying to fill in road. So we're going to erase what we don't want. So we don't want the car being reproduced in the spot that we have highlighted. So we're going to get rid of the car, right? Easy as that. Erase it out of there. Now, we'll get rid of from the curb up, right? We need any of this because what's going to happen is it's going to look goofy. Get rid of all that. Not needed. Bam. Now, if you look on the side here, it shows a preview. See how the roof's gone? It's that easy. You don't have to mess with any of these settings. Press OK. Select, deselect. Boom. Done. Quick, easy. You can do that with anything. You can do that. Like, see this little cone back here? We get rid of that cone. No problem. Quick, easy tutorial. So if you take like a sweet roller shot and you're not going to have a chance to go back and do it again, this is a lifesaver. Huge lifesaver. Alright guys, so it's legit that easy. Okay? You got something that, like I said, you can't reproduce again. It's not something you can just go out and shoot something outside your house. Like you put all this time and effort into the shoot and you had like just some little imperfections. Boom, done. Get rid of it. Quick, easy tutorial. I'll be doing more as as the channel progresses. So if this was helpful, like, subscribe, hit the little bell for some notifications, and I'll be making more of these. See you on the next one.